Welcome to Shenkman Education. My name is Marty Shenkman. This is one of our Mythbuster series where I take common online questions and try to give some real information, unlike what many people find online. So one of the most commonly researched questions in AI is, how do I write a will online? Well, first of all, and the problem with, you can get a more comprehensive document from some of the inexpensive online websites than what most lawyers do. So I'm not per se criticizing those documents. You got to get educated before you try to do anything online. You need to watch videos, you need to read materials. It takes a good amount of time to get some proficiency to understand what you're doing. And at minimum, if the online websites really cared about your results more than they cared about their profits, they would make you watch some number of video clips to get at least a basic knowledge of the document, like a will that you're going to draft. Next point, do it as a group. Make it a group affair. One thing that every professional can provide that you can't provide yourself is objectivity. But if you want to do this stuff online, get 2 or 3 people that have somewhat similar circumstances as you, financially, family, that know you, and do this stuff together. All 4 of you do your wills together. Why? Because you may be suggesting, my kids get along. One of your friends is going to look at you and say, they don't. You need the objectivity that independent people provide. Really important. The way most online documents are done is someone just fills out a form. Another point, an error in my view of what a lot of the online forms do, and I get why they do it because it's good marketing and makes you feel good, is there's so many questions. You can get more questions and more variations of what you do in an online document than when you hire an attorney. It's good because it's flexible and lets you tailor it, but it's bad because you could be making decisions that are detrimental, add complexity, will create much more cost and difficulties administering your estate. So you got to be very careful. So how do you do a will online? Get educated. Make sure you really should be doing it online. Is your stuff really simple? Does your net worth and income not permit you to hire an expert? And if you hire somebody, get a specialist. And special circumstances is really key. If you're in your 3rd or 4th marriage with kids from various marriages and out of wedlock, you can't do this stuff online. If you're the Cleaver family or close to it, maybe it's better. You got to be very careful to identify special circumstances that really require tailoring and customization beyond what online does. I hope this has given you some thoughts. Please keep in mind that all the information is for educational purposes only. Don't take any action without consulting with appropriate professional advisors.